Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello, Sharish. You can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down functions. Okay, just give me another minute, guys. Okay, my pen tab is also not working. Just a second.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, now you're audible. Okay. And just give me 1 minute. Okay, let me just reconnect my pen tab. Okay. Okay. Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone can see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, yaar. It took a lot of time. Actually, I'm using a new laptop. Okay. And a lot of issues there. Okay. So in the last class, we did few things and pen is still not working. Just give me another minute, guys. Just wait. Okay. So sorry for this. Uh, Hello everyone. Everyone is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, sorry for this being this late, but I think I have to restart the laptop, but no guarantees that it will work again. So are you guys willing to wait another 5 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone is okay, right? And so sorry for this, right? I'm trying my best, but not able to work this out. Okay, so just give me 5 minutes. Let me just restart this. Okay then. Okay, now it's working. Everything is working, and you guys are there. Have your patience. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about rest of you, Deborah, Aliza?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So कल भी class नहीं हुई. So we can schedule any classes in this week. You have any school off or anything like that? No.
I have my vacations right now, so I can do classes this week.
Okay. What about other students?
Sir, I also have tuition.
You also have vacations. Okay. What about Aliza? No response. Okay. Well, talk to Aliza.
Sir, I don't have any classes in the morning. I just have classes last round 4 to 7
4 to 7. Okay. So I'll
India time. Indian time.
Okay, okay. Then our team will send you the links. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
So we'll keep few extra classes so that we can recover everything. All right. No worries. Okay. So let's start kinds of function. Okay. Relations is finished. You can complete the NCRT also. First one is one function. Okay, this is also called injection. Okay. One function or injection. What does this mean? Write down the definition. A function f from A to B is said to be a one function or an injection if different elements of A have different images in B. Okay. Write down the definition. I'll explain what this means. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many of you remember what a function is? देखो, relation is that हमने एक equation लिख दी y equals to x. Okay. For each x will have a y, right? So we create ordered pairs and we say this is a relation. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So what is function? Function is defined as that all the elements of this is called domain. All the elements of domain must be connected with this set, which is called codomain. Okay. मतलब क्या देखो, रिलेशन में if we have set A 1 2 3 4 and B 3 4 5 6, right? So we can say if y equals to x plus 1, all right, then if we put x equals to 1, then there is no number here, so 1 is not belong to R, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But if it has to be a function, then यहाँ का हर एलिमेंट कनेक्टेड होना ही पड़ेगा किसी ना किसी से. ओके. कोडोमेन में कोई हो सकता है कनेक्टेड हो, कोई हो सकता है नहीं कनेक्टेड हो, बट every element of domain must be related to any element of codomain. इसको कहते हैं फंक्शन है. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज वन वन फंक्शन? अब इसको बहुत अच्छे से समझो. अब ठीक है, एक एग्जांपल दूंगा मैं, उसमें सबको समझ में आ जाएगा. Assume this as set of son. This is set of fathers. ठीक है, दुनिया में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, A B C D E, and set of fathers suppose P Q R. ठीक है. अब अगर फंक्शन है, दैट मीन्स दुनिया में ये होता है कि अगर बच्चा है दैट मीन्स कोई पापा भी होगा. यस और नो?
Yes.
बट अब उल्टा सोचो कि कोई पापा है, मतलब कोई आदमी है, उसका जरूरी नहीं है क्योंकि बच्चा हो. यस और नो?
Yes.
राइट. सो व्हाट इज वन वन फंक्शन? दैट हर एक पापा का एक ही बच्चा है. ओके. उनके 2 बच्चे 3 बच्चे नहीं है. इज इट क्लियर? दैट A is connected to P only, B is connected to Q only, C is connected to R only, and because यहाँ कोई खाली नहीं होना चाहिए, हमें और 2 एलिमेंट ज्वाइन कर लिया मैंने. D is connected to S, E is connected to T. So now you can see A is connected to P, B is connected to Q, and so on. This is called one function. That one father, one son only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, एक बच्चा एक पापा। बट अगर ऐसा हो, suppose we have A, B, C and P, Q, R, S. A is connected to P, A is connected to S, B is connected to W, and C is connected to R. So what kind of function this is? Any ideas? A is connected to P, A is connected to S, B is connected to Q, C is connected to R. Anyone? Any idea?
So it is not a function.
Yes, very good. This is not a function, right? एक बच्चे के दो पापा तो एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर सकते, एक बच्चे का एक ही पापा हो सकता है, एक पापा के दो बच्चे हो सकते हैं, बट वन सन कैन नॉट हैव टू फादर्स. सो दिस इज नॉट ए फंक्शन एट ऑल. वन वन मैनी वन तो छोड़ो. अगर मैं ऐसा करूं, what kind of function this is, or is this not a function?
It is a function.
Sorry.
It is a function.
Okay, and what kind of function this is?
One.
One function. Very good. One function.
No, it's not one function.
Not one function, right? P के दो बच्चे हैं. P has A also and C also. Q has B also, D also. All right. So this is many one. One father, many sons. Everyone is clear about this? अरे बोलो भाई.
Yes, sir.
Okay. कोई बोलेगा नहीं ना examples. So you can write down the definition of many one functions also. A function f from A to B is said to be many one if two or more elements of set A have the same image in B. Okay. एक पापा के दो से ज्यादा बच्चे हों, then this is many one. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So method to check if a function is one, how to solve this? Okay, very simple. Just find this. F of x1 equals to f of x2. This is step 1. Step 2, if x1 equals to x2, function is 1, 1. Otherwise, it is many one. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Written this down. one question. Find whether this function is 1, 1. Okay. F is from R to R given by f of x equals to x cube plus 2 for all x belongs to R. Okay, now look at this example very carefully, then you guys solve. F of x is given as x cube plus 2. So step 1 is find f of x1 equals to f of x2. Just write this down, right? Bina soche. So f of x1 means x1 cube plus 2 equals to f of x2 means x2 cube plus 2. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
No. 2 and 2 is cancelled. This implies x1 cube equals to x cube, x2 cube, which is equals to x1 equals to x cube, x2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So if this is this, then function is 1, 1. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please write it down. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. F is from Z to Z given by f of x equals to x square plus 1 for x belongs to Z. Find if this function is 1, 1 or many 1.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, what is the doubt?
Here, like, we're using x1 and x2, right? So what does that stand for?
Nothing, just x1 and x2 means we are assuming x1 and x2 belongs to z, any random integers. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
if you know why this method is like applicable in this, understand this. They are saying 1 means for 1x there will be only 1y, right? एक बच्चे का एक पापा. Yes or no?
Yes.
What we are doing, we are trying to find f of x1. That means हम ये देख रहे हैं कि यार इस x1 का पापा कौन है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We are equating that with x2 का पापा.
Okay.
That means हम पहले ये assume करके चल रहे हैं कि दो बच्चे हैं x1 and x2, उन दोनों के पापा सेम है. Okay?
Okay.
Now if we found that x1 equals to x2, मतलब क्या, ये दोनों बच्चे अलग ही नहीं है. We had assumed only one single number, one single बच्चा. That means ये दोनों अलग इंसान है ही नहीं. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, जो हमारा assumption था कि दो बच्चे and one पापा is wrong.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
And we are taking random numbers because I told you in the previous class also कि अगर हमें general prove करना होता है then we cannot take random numbers, right? हमें general assumption से ही solve करना होता है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? That is why we took x1 and x2. कि हमने मान लिया कि आप अपने हिसाब से नंबर्स पुट करके देख लो. हमने जनरल में बता दिया कि ऐसे कोई भी दो बच्चे नहीं है जिनके पापा सेम हो. ओके,
Okay.
एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर, राइट?
Yes.
ओके, सो इज दिस 1-1 और नॉट?
It is 1-1.
प्लीज सॉल्व अगेन, चेक where did you make the mistake. Let's see. x1 square plus 1 should be equals to x2 square plus 1, right?
Yes.
1 and 1 is cancelled. When we take under root, we get plus minus, right?
Yes, sir.
So they are saying x1 की दो वैल्यूज हैं x2 के, या तो x2 हो जाए या तो माइनस x2 हो जाए. सो वी कैन सी दिस क्लियरली कि ऐसे दो बच्चे हैं जिनमें हमें सेम पापा मिल रहे हैं. ओके,
Okay.
only if you get x1 equals to x2, then only and only this is 1-1. Any other case exists, इसके साथ भी हो जाए ऐसा और आ जाए कि x1 equals to minus x2, then also this is many one. Okay, is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is one other method which is called graphical method. This is known as horizontal line test to check 1-1. What does this mean? देखो, कोई भी एक फंक्शन है. Okay, suppose this one is parabola. We all know this is quadratic equation. Yes or no? Quadratic equation का ग्राफ पैराबोला होता है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what does horizontal line test say? वो बोलता है कि x के पैरेलल एक लाइन खींच दो. Okay, x के पैरेलल एक लाइन खींच दो. If it cuts the graph into 2 points, then this is many one. Okay, but suppose there is a graph like this. आप किसी में भी कितने भी लाइन खींचो, ये हमेशा सिंगल पॉइंट पे ही कट करेगा. सो दिस इज 1 1. All right, everyone.
Yes, sir.
The reason behind is same. हमने हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन खींचा, दैट मींस वी आर फिक्सिंग द y हमने 1 रख लिया, राइट. सपोज y इक्वल्स टू 5, तो यहाँ भी y की वैल्यू 5 है, यहाँ भी y की वैल्यू 5 है. दैट मींस पापा हमने 1 पकड़ लिया है. देन वी सॉ कि उनके 2 बच्चे आ रहे हैं या 1 बच्चा आ रहा है. बट हियर वी कैन क्लियरली सी कि x1 के पापा भी y हैं, दैट मींस y इक्वल्स टू 5, and if you put x2 then also y is 5. So this means this is minimal. Okay, is it clear what I said?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move on. Third type of function is onto function, or this is called surjective. A function f from a to b is said to be an onto function or a surjection if every element of b is the image of some element of a. Okay, I'll explain what this means. Just write it down. हाँ, सबकी 11 बजे तक क्लास रख लें. मैं आप ही से पूछ रहा हूँ सबसे. कैन वी एक्सटेंड द क्लास बाय हाफ एन आवर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, लिख लिया सबने?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो देखो हमने भी एग्जांपल देखा पापा और बेटों का. सेम हियर, फंक्शन होने के लिए हर बच्चे का एक पापा होना जरूरी था. ऑनटू क्या कह रहा है कि हर पापा का भी एक बच्चा होना जरूरी है. यहां भी कोई इंसान खाली नहीं जा सकता. ओके, P must be related to one number. Q must be related to one number. R must be related to one number. S must be related to one number. यहां अगर एक T खाली रह गया, then this is not onto, क्योंकि इसका कोई बेटा नहीं है. All right? Is it clear what I said?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is into. Very simple. This is next one is into. So what is not unto is into. A function from a to b is an into function if there exists an element in B having no pre-image in A. Okay, ऐसा आदमी भी है कोई यहाँ पर जिसका कोई बेटा नहीं है. All right, we'll see how to check this. Let's write it down. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Next one is bijection. Okay, 1 1 on 2. Very simple. A function f from a to b is a bijection if it is 1 1 as well as on 2. ओके, तो बहुत सिंपल सा मतलब क्या है, 1 1 मतलब क्या, हर बच्चे का एक पापा, एज वेल एज ऑन टू मतलब कोई पापा खाली नहीं, हर पापा का एक बेटा है। दैट मीन्स जितने नंबर यहाँ होंगे उतने नंबर यहाँ होंगे। P is related to Q, A is related to this, and this, and so on. Okay, this is 1 1 and on 2, क्योंकि हर किसी से एक ही लाइन जा रही है एंड यहाँ भी कोई मेंबर खाली नहीं है। क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके, okay, add down one question. Show that the function f from n to n given by f of 1 equals to f of 2 equals to 1 and f of x equals to x minus 1 for every x greater than equals to 2 is not 1 1. एंड रिमेंबर दिस, कभी ये प्रूफ करना है कि कोई अच्छा इंसान नहीं है तो एक गलत आदत बता देना इज एनफ। सेम वे इफ यू हैव टू प्रूव समथिंग इज नॉट 1 1, देन जस्ट शो 2x, दो नंबर्स ऐसे जिसमें सेम y यू आर गेटिंग। गॉट माय पॉइंट? वन एग्जांपल इज एनफ। Done, everyone? Anyone solve this? But देखो, we are saying f of x is such that this is 1 when x belongs to 1 or 2, and this is x minus 1 when x is more than equal to 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now all we have to do is find one x such that दो y पे सेम आ जाए. मतलब क्या? Can anyone tell me what if I find f of 1, what is the answer? अगर मैं x की जगह 1 रखता हूं तो मुझे y कितना मिल रहा है? f of x कितना मिल रहा है?
1.
1. We have already mentioned this. F of 1 or f of 2 is 1. And if I have to find f of 2, then this is 2 minus 1, which is 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
तो मतलब देखो 1 का पापा भी 1 है, 2 का पापा भी 1 है. So for x belongs to or x equals to 1 and x equals to 2, we have same f of x. So this is many 1. As simple as that. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone said no, sir? Okay. Okay, now on to how to find, how to check on to. अब देखो on to में ना writing process is completely different and finding the answer is completely different. First, you have to understand what is on to really well. What this means, if I write y equals to x plus 1, right? Y means f of x. Okay, suppose I give you one example here. We have like this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 4, 6, 8. When we write this two sets, this means this is domain and this is codomain. Domain and codomain की value क्या है? X can only be from domain and Y can only be from codomain, right?
Yes.
Okay. अब onto में ऐसे सोचो कि always we do x की वैल्यू रखते हैं, हमें y की वैल्यू मिलती है. But suppose I say I am taking y equals to 6. Okay, मैंने मान लिया that y is 6. Y belongs to this, so I can take this number 6. Now I ask you, can you think of an x where y is 6? Can you think of an x where we get y equals to 6?
It's not there. Like in the domain.
And not in the domain, right?
Right.
So there is no x where y equals to 6. This is clear, everyone? All
Yes,
of
sir.
okay. That means this 6 is not connected to any of the x. That means इस पापा का कोई बेटा नहीं है. So this is into. Yes or no?
Yes.
And how did we check this? We can say, sir, y की value x plus 1 है. So x is equal to 6 minus 1. So x must be 5, but there is no 5 in domain. But in general sense, how do we solve this? We have x plus 1 equals to y. So we can find x by y minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is the way to find. Suppose there is another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, and f of x is given as 2x. And I say y is 8. So can you think of an x where y is 8?
Yes. 4.
4. And how did we calculate this? You can say, sir, y equals to 2x. So x equals to y by 2. So yes, sir, for all y, we have an x which is connected to that y. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is onto. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Now, for this, sometimes you have to find a range of a function. Okay. Onto is very simply if codomain equals to range, then the function becomes onto. Okay. So is everyone clear about how to find range? Do you remember the process? Dekho.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For people who do not know, if you have to find the range of this, then always find x. ठीक है? मतलब क्या? Here x plus 1 equals to 3y, x equals to 3y minus 1. All right? X is equals to 3y minus 1. That means we have converted x into in the form of y. अब आप देखिए, is there any y जो कि यहाँ रखने से gives you trouble? That means it becomes infinite or 1 upon 0, something like this. Okay? Is it clear what I'm saying?
Sir, what did you say after my? What did you say? Can you repeat?
Okay, let me repeat. I'm saying try to find y which will give you trouble. Trouble in maths means infinite or 1 upon 0, something like this. Okay? See, can you think of any y which will make this not a real number? 3y minus 1 will not be a real number. Any number of y equals to what? So that this 3y minus 1 is not a real number. Is there any y? No, right? For every y, x is a real number. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that means आप y की वैल्यू कुछ भी रखो, we always have a x related to that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means इसका जो range है, that is equals to codomain. So this is onto. Okay? ये बात समझ में आ गई सबको? But suppose we have this condition. X equals to y minus 1 upon y. यहाँ देखो, you cannot put y equals to 0. Right? Because as soon as you put y equals to 0, this becomes minus 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Right?
Yes.
So y equals to 0 has no x. So this is into, not onto. ऑलराइट, क्योंकि देखो रियल नंबर पे y इज फ्रॉम दिस कोडोमेन, इसमें तो 0 इंक्लूडेड है, x में भी 0 इंक्लूडेड है, बट इस 0 का कोई x नहीं है, कोई बेटा नहीं है. देयर इज नो x such that y becomes 0. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's solve one question. Let's see how to write the answer also. Questions based on onto function. F is from R to R, given by f of x equals to x cube plus 2 for all x belongs to R. Okay. Try to solve it on your own. Then I'll tell you the writing format. पहले ये बताओ कि ये onto है या नहीं, खुद का दिमाग लगाओ. Okay, the function is x cube plus 2 and it is from R to R, real number to real number. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So बताओ ये on to है या नहीं है?
It is on to, sir.
Okay, very good. So how to solve this? Like how to write this solution? Remember the format, memorize the format. ऐसे ही लिखने पड़ेंगे आपको. Let y belongs to R. Okay, we are focusing on y, and this R means codomain, such that f of x equals to y. Right? यहाँ भी हम ये assume कर रहे हैं कि there is a x which is equals to y. Okay, f of x equals to y. जैसे वहां क्या था ना कि x1 और x2 दो बच्चे हैं जिनके सेम पापा हैं. Same process. We have assumed a y such that there is a x where f of x makes y. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means we can write this is x cube plus 2 equals to y, which means x cube equals to y minus 2, which means x equals to y minus 2 to the power 1 upon 3. All right. Now we'll write for all y belongs to R. जो मैंने आपसे वहां पूछा था, क्या कोई ऐसा y है जो कि इसको अनरियल नंबर बनाता है, नॉट ए रियल नंबर? बट यहाँ भी आप देख सकते हैं कि फॉर एवरी y इट इज ए रियल नंबर. So for y belongs to R codomain, y minus 2 to the power 1 upon 3 belongs to R. Yes or no?
Yes.
That means, and this is x, right? That means x belongs to R. तो हमसे बहुत साफ बात ये कह रहे हैं उनसे कि हर y के लिए there is a x which belongs to R. Thus, for all y belongs to R, there exists x equals to y minus 2 to the power 1 upon 3. Okay, my bad. 1 upon 3 such that x cube plus 2 equals to y. Right? हर y के लिए हम ऐसा एक x निकाल सकते हैं where this will be true. So f from R to R, f of x equals to x cube plus 2 is a onto function. The process is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it down. Done, everyone? भाई लिख लिया सबने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, पहली बार में कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करता है ना, पहली बार में तो सर हम घूम रहे थे फिर रहे थे, राइट एवरीवन? f is from r to r given by f of x equals to x square plus 2 for all x belongs to r. Okay, we have to say if this is onto or not. Done everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is this one or sorry, onto or into?
Into.
Into, right? Because very clearly r to r, y में बहुत सारे नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी हैं. So if we put y equals to -2, there is no x, right?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि ये हमेशा पॉजिटिव है. So you can say negative numbers in set B do not have their pre-images in set A. Hence, this is not onto function. Let's see another question. F from Z to Z. Z means integers. Given by f of x equals to 3x plus 2 for all x belongs to Z. Check if this is into or onto. Okay, done everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? We'll write let y belongs to z codomain such that f of x equals to y. This implies 3x plus 2 equals to y. So x equals to y minus 2 by 3. Here also, just like in this, you can write for all y belongs to z, there will be a x such that this. So this is into or onto?
On to.
Onto. Okay. So no doubts in this?
No.
No. Okay. Aliza, Deborah,
No, sir.
right? So we'll keep extra classes this week. Okay. No one has school, I guess. Aliza,
Yes, sir.
right? No school this week.
No school. No, sir.
Okay. So we'll discuss with the team and आपको link भी मिल जाएगा एक दिन पहले. We'll test you also. So do not miss the classes. Okay. This week we'll complete this chapter. One more class or two more class max to max. Then we'll start Investigo. Okay. Start doing NCRT also, homework also, and no assessment today. Okay. Assessment will be in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then take care, everyone. See you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
That's right.
Good night.